Given that sine theta equals negative 2/3 and tan theta is greater than 0, find cos theta. First thing that I'm going to consider is that sine theta is negative and tan theta is positive. What this tells me is that I'm looking for a quadrant where sine is negative and tan is positive. So I know tan is positive in A and T, but everything's positive in A, so it's gotta be T. So then in quadrant 3, I'm just going to construct my right triangle with the x-axis. And now I'm going to look at sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So I know the opposite side of the reference angle is -2 and the hypotenuse is 3. So -2 is opposite the reference angle and 3 is the hypotenuse. Now I can do Pythagoras' theorem, 3 squared minus -2 squared. So I know it's minus. Because we know the length of the hypotenuse, I'm always going to subtract. If I'm looking for the hypotenuse when doing Pythagoras' theorem, I add. 3 squared minus -2 squared is 5, but you always take the square root. So this length is root 5, but because it's going to the left, it's going to be negative root 5. So then cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent side is negative root 5, and the hypotenuse is 3.